and welcome to week 9 of our Rebuild Your Core series. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Our equipment is going to be a stability ball today. If you don't have one, it's okay. You could use a Pilates ball or just nothing. And then we also have some medium size weights and a foam roller. And as always, if you don't have any of these equipment, just make do without or figure out a substitution. Not an excuse to just not do anything. You need to be moving your body, and I'm excited to help you with this. So let's go ahead and get started with some side reaching breathing. Breathe into that side here. One more breath. Other side. Inhale. One more breath here. Good work. Okay, now we're going to go on our back. Practice some breathing there. We're going to be on our back for some of the exercises today, so get that good neutral pelvis, and let's work on that breath. Inhale 3 times for me. When your ribs and pelvis are in optimal position, stacked over each other nicely, then that makes it easier for your diaphragm and your pelvic floor to work together with your breath. So try to get those things stacked nicely. It'll make breathing easier, which will make your pelvic floor contraction and core contraction more effective. Last breath here. Okay, good job. Go ahead and grab your stability ball. Get these out of the way. Again, if you don't have one, not a big deal. We're going to be using the stability ball to do a bird dog while holding this ball up. It's kind of fun. Go ahead and inhale. Exhale. Pelvic floor comes up and in. It's above that core. And going to be here. You can have your legs out straight. You can have them here. You can have it under your elbows. However you like to hold the ball here. But we're going to opposite arm, opposite leg, and come out, come back, alternate other side. It's easier to bend your knee, so if you need to bend your knee, do that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good work. That is kind of a tough one, and I hope you feel empowered in your body to do some of these exercises that are a little bit harder. And if you're not there yet, it's okay. Just keep working up to it. Maybe go back, repeat some of the other weeks, and you'll get there. I know it's taken me a really long time to do some of these exercises postpartum, so it's not a race. All right, coming on to this ball here, and we're doing crunches. So go ahead and inhale, exhale, zip up through that core, and 1, 2, watch for that coning and doming, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Okay. Now we're going to pick up those weights. And like I've said before, the upper back muscles are a very integral part of your core. So make sure that you're strengthening those as well. We're going to be here in a bent over fly. That ball out of my way. So bend over here. We're going to bring those weights out. So before we do that, make sure inhale, exhale, set that core. We're going to hold that core activation throughout. 1, squeeze those shoulder blades together. 2, 3, don't hold your breath. 4, 5, exhale as you bring those weights up. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Good work. Okay, grab that ball again. Back into that dead bug. Again, I love dead bugs for this reason, because you can customize it with whatever modification you need. Make it harder, make it easier. With a straight leg makes it harder. Bent leg makes it easier. You can use a ball like this, all sorts of things. So dead bug is a great one to teach your body stability. All right, inhale, exhale, and come on up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew, that one is tough. Okay, back into those crunches. Ready? Inhale, exhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Back into those reverse flies. Okay. Inhale, exhale. We want to make sure we're not folded over like this. We want to come up nice and tall through that head. Don't tuck your bum under. Send your tailbone back to the wall behind you. All right. Now inhale and set that core. And 1, 2, squeeze those shoulder blades together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We are done with that portion. We're going to come into a cobra stretch, and then we're going to use this foam roller. So I'm going to sink those hips forward, press up through your shoulders. 3 inhales for me. Okay. Now we're going to do chest stretch on the foam roller. So you can put your arms in cactus like this or out straight, whatever you're feeling today. Just breathe. Remember, we're not letting our ribs arch up as we do this. Keep them neutral. Just take 3 breaths here. Feel that stretch in your chest. One more breath here. Now I'm going to bring my pelvis into neutral and just do those last 3 breaths here. One more breath here. Okay, good job. We are done with today, and I will see you next time.